remove the rear wheel and then do the same experiment. The vibration didn't go. I'm gonna try the same on this side. The vibration is still there. I think that the shaking is due to this drive shaft, so I will try to clean it up and disconnect it from the differential and then try the shock test again. Putting this drive shaft back because this was not the cause for the vibration. It's intact, but it might wobble. What if it's the front wheels shaking? And the vibration is gone. God damn it, it was the front wheel. If just washing this wheel will solve the problem, then I'm a complete idiot. I confirmed that this front wheel is the cause of the vibration, so I'm not sure, do I need to get new wheels or do I need to get it just rebalanced? has a problem with the speed sensor, so I'm gonna change the pickup ring and also the sensor itself. So okay, I realized that I need a 36mm 12-point socket for this project, and right now I don't have it, so back together it goes. I will take the cause of the vibration off one more time, and I will install the rear wheels and see if there's any vibration coming from the rear also. So much effort just to access this and still doesn't come out easily. Started up no problem, and I'm gonna have the wheels rebalanced. Okay, since this car came with an electronic hitch and somebody removed it, every time I start the car I get this. Luckily for me, all the wiring and all the electronic modules are in place, and as you can see, I bought the correct hitch, which is electronic, and I also got the button with it, and I also got the rear glass, because I believe the antenna wiring in this one is not intact anymore. Plugs just right in. Oh, it even has the LED blinking. I need to take the rear bumper off, so somebody's installed this the other way around. That's why anything won't line up. That's why I don't have a tow hook place over here. 17, I believe. Luckily everything works, and now I'm just tidying up the wiring. Little clip here, then I can pull the shaft out, clean it, and put new grease in it. Yep, okay. So I have one fault code that I couldn't get rid of, and it's the antenna fault. For some reason the antenna won't pass the self-check or self-test that it makes, and it shows on live data as well. Under channel 6 it says antenna self-test faulty.